Welcome to this video on a fresh approach to weight loss through the power of a plant-based diet. What a plant-based diet is and what it entails. A plant-based diet is a way of eating that focuses on whole, minimally processed foods that come from plants, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. It usually excludes or limits animal products, including meat, poultry, fish, dairy, and eggs, although some variations may allow for small amounts of these foods. Plant-based diets emphasize nutrient-dense, high-fiber, and low-calorie foods, and they can be tailored to individual preferences and needs. Plant-based diets can provide many health benefits, including weight loss, improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and a lower risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Benefits of a plant-based diet in weight loss. 1. Low in calories. Plant-based foods are naturally low in calories, which can help with weight loss. 2. High in fiber. Plant-based foods are rich in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied for longer. 3. Nutrient-dense. Plant-based foods are packed with nutrients, which can help you maintain a healthy weight. 4. Reduced inflammation. A plant-based diet can reduce inflammation, which is associated with weight gain and obesity. Some of the challenges people may face when transitioning to a plant-based diet. 1. Social pressure. People around you may not understand or support your decision. 2. Limited food options. It can be challenging to find plant-based options when eating out or traveling. 3. Nutritional concerns. You may need to pay more attention to getting all the necessary nutrients, such as protein, iron, and calcium. Tips for overcoming these challenges and successfully adopting a plant-based diet. 1. Join a supportive community. Find like-minded people to share your journey with and get tips and advice. 2. Plan your meals. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to make sure you're getting all the nutrients you need. 3. Experiment with new recipes. Try new plant-based recipes to keep your meals interesting and flavorful. 4. Learn about plant-based nutrition. Educate yourself about plant-based nutrition to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. Common misconceptions about a plant-based diet. 1. Plant-based diets are expensive. Plant-based diets can be cost-effective, and many affordable options are available. 2. Plant-based diets are bland. Plant-based meals can be just as flavorful and satisfying as non-plant-based meals. Additional tips for successful weight loss on a plant-based diet. 1. Eat a variety of plant-based foods. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds into your diet. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and herbal teas. 3. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight. 4. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and savor your food.